Why it sucks to be born as a chicken. You come into the world, breaking through your eggshell, only to be met with the sound of hundreds of other chicks chirping around you. Not even a full day passes before you're disinfected and pumped with more steroids than any bodybuilder has ever seen. Next, you're thrown into a warehouse with thousands of other chicks, given a space smaller than an iPad screen to live on. You quickly notice your body growing at an alarming rate. If humans grew the same way, a 2-month-old baby would weigh 300 kilograms. But don't worry, your suffering is almost over. You're already a fully grown chicken. They grab you, shove you into crates, and load you onto a truck. You've never felt grass beneath your feet. And after just 6 weeks, you'll end up in some fast food restaurant, realizing